When we get those searingly hot days in summer that Australia is renowned for, the importance of soil moisture enters the critical stage. For this reason, we need to give early attention to our irrigation systems, hoses, sprinklers and sprays, to make sure all are working as they should. Now's the time to fix or replace them. It's also time to check your soil to see if water is actually penetrating through. So poke a finger in there or dig in like this and just check out whether the moisture is getting through. It's very possible that you would have hydrophobic soil and that needs treatment. I'm suspicious that this pale green to brown patch of lawn is not getting effectively watered, though it's regularly irrigated. A simple test is to apply water and watch what happens. If the water pools on top or runs off, then it may be hydrophobic. Applying a soil wetter such as Seasol Super Soil Wetter and Conditioner will help to overcome this. This increases the wettability of hard to wet soils and it allows the moisture to penetrate deeper into the soil and also hang around there for a while in that root zone, just where the plants need it. The highly active liquid compost promotes the development of good soil structure. It stimulates the growth of beneficial soil microbes, which enhance the fertility and disease resistance of the soil. For small areas of garden and pots, use the concentrate in a watering can, or for larger areas, use the hose-on pack. Seasol Super Soil Wetter actually contains Seasol, so it's great value for building health in the soil. It's also excellent for helping the roots to take off. Very useful if the plants have been recently transplanted, so it gets them over that shock. And it's also terrific for building resilience into the plants, so they can better handle the stress of drought and hot conditions. It's a fast-acting liquid which goes to work immediately and can be applied to any soil type.